Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the problems with either your Bluetooth headphones not pairing or how to actually reset your Blitzwolf FYE5s. Keep watching to find out more. Okay, so in this video I had some comments and feedback about the Blitzwolf FYE5 Bluetooth earphones, and some of you have been having issues with them either not pairing or just not behaving as they should do. So we're going to be showing you two options in this. The first of which is how to actually do a factory reset on them, or how to reset them. And the second part of the video is going to show you how to actually force them to resynchronize to each other. So in the first part of the video, I'll be showing you basically put the earphones into the charging case with the case being powered, and both of your earpods or headphones will light up red to show that they're charging. At which point, all you have to do is to use both your fingers and press on the touch sensors, press and hold them whilst the lights are on red until you see the blue and red light flash. Then the lights will turn off, then you can remove your fingers and then they'll go through their automatic reset process. After that, if you leave them for a little while, then to reset them so that they both pair to each other, what you'll need to do is to take both of the pods out of the case. So left one first, right one, doesn't really make a difference which you do. Wait for the lights to go through their sequence and then press and hold the button twice. So press and hold briefly twice. That should then force a synchronization. So now I'm going to show you in the video, which has been sent to me by our friends over at Blitzwolf, exactly how to do it. So this is the first section, literally with the USB cable plugged in and them physically charging, both of them with the red lights on. Press and hold the buttons until you see the blue and red flash at the same time. When the light turns off, remove your fingers from the pods. Now for the second part, after you've done the first section, what we'll do is remove both of the pods from the charging case, wait for them to go through their flashing cycle, and then at the point shown in the video, double press the button on both pods, one at a time. After a few seconds they should pair up and everything should be back to normal. So there you go, there is how to reset or reinitialize your Blitzwolf FYE5s. If you've got any comments or questions, stick them in the comments section below. But in the meantime, I've been Mike, this is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and hopefully we'll be catching you in the very next video. Thanks for watching.